Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Henry, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are always my best friend. Thank you so much for stopping over and clicking on this video so that you can watch. Guys, today I'm back with another cooking video. This is a breakfast recipe. From my previous video, I noticed that most of you are enjoying these breakfast recipes. I decided why not give you more of these recipes because I have a lot. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's do this.
Same mistake more than twice, same song but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get.
My first ingredient today will be oats. So I'm going to measure 3 cups of oats. You can use more if you have more people taking this breakfast. It's all depend with the number of people taking your breakfast. I'll then add eggs in these oats. I used 3 eggs. Also, you can use as many eggs according to the number of people who will be taking this breakfast. I also added milk, just enough milk, and then mix that well. Mix it very well.
Time waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you.
After it mixes, keep that aside and allow it some time to settle.
Young, but I know we won't give this up.
When it's settling, you'll be preparing your other ingredients, which include the onions. For this case, I used my spring onions.
Back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line.
Put that aside. The other thing that I used is red capsicum. Remember, I cleaned all these ingredients before, so they are clean. Slice that into small pieces, like so, and then put that aside.
It's hard to find.
I had prepared my coriander before, so that this is ready. Then I'll take my oats, the mixture of the oats, then add the onions, the capsicum and the coriander. Also remember to add salt. Mix that well, very well, so that it can be uniformly mixed. After achieving the uniform mixture, I'll add my black pepper. You can add any spice that you wish, but for me, I love the black pepper, and also you can use the raw chili, the pili pili. So after that, I'll cover it for some few minutes, like 5 minutes, and give it time to absorb everything that I've mixed, to absorb each other. I don't know if that's the right word. Yeah, to absorb each other. Situkane. Yeah.
Can't get it back. Might be time for
So
me
after
to
the 5 minutes, I'll heat my pan and then add some oil.
know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little.
Once you add oil on the pan, you can now add your mixture. By the way, guys, this came off. It's supposed to be like this, but it came off. By the way, this is not the best thing to buy. This is not the best oil jar to buy. If you're buying, don't buy the one that has the marble cover, because it will eventually come off. So that's a hint. So now I'll add my mixture in the hot oil, like so, and then I spread it evenly. I would advise you, when preparing this breakfast, use a large pan so that it can spread easily. This was thick, but I needed it thin so that it can quicken the cooking, but it took some time because it was thick. So I would advise you to use a bigger pan than mine. Using a smaller pan was a hassle for me because it was so thick. So when preparing yours, ensure that you use a larger pan, a wider pan, so that it can ease the cooking. Then after the first side was cooked, I turned using a plate as you've seen, and then I returned in the pan. It's that easy. And note that I didn't add any oil. After 5 minutes, this is how the oats look on the cooked side. Then I'll cover for 5 minutes to allow the other side cook. Even the previous side I covered for 5 minutes to allow it cook. So 5 minutes are over. I'll use a fork to poke it in so that I can check if the inside is cooked. But you can see it's still sticking on the fork, so it's not cooked. So I'll still cover it for some more few minutes. By now it's cooked, and that's how it looks. So yummy. So I'm going to give it some time to cool as I prepare my coffee. Today we are going to be taking coffee.
Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and someday
my coffee is ready to be served. I also serve my oats. Look how easy it is to cut into pieces. It looks like pizza, right? Just comment below and let me know, does this oat look like pizza? Guys, if you're trying to lose weight and you're looking for a healthy breakfast eating habit, this is the best breakfast for you, and this is the best channel for you. This is home for you, because this breakfast contain no carbs, therefore makes it easy for you to lose your weight, also stay healthy.
we go back and forth every time. Wait.
So I'm going to serve the coffee and my oats, and that's the breakfast for today. So guys, this is the breakfast. This is how the oats look. So yummy. Yummy in my tummy. They look so edible, so sweet. Imagine they taste how they look. Yeah, they taste how they look. They taste so sweet. They are so sweet. And that's my coffee. So guys, that's the breakfast for the day. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want more of this content, let me know guys. I have so much recipes in store for you guys. Just comment below, tell me how you think about this video, how yummy the oats looks, and guys, let's meet in my next video. Until then, adios.